In Financial Analysis and Time Value of Money for Beginners, Juan Castero provides a foundational understanding of essential financial concepts, making complex ideas accessible to newcomers. The book starts with an introduction to financial analysis, emphasizing its importance in evaluating the health and potential of businesses and investments. Castero explains that financial analysis involves examining financial statements to assess an organization's performance and make informed decisions. Key statements include the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, each providing unique insights into a company's operations, profitability, and liquidity. Castero simplifies the balance sheet by breaking it down into assets, liabilities, and equity. He highlights how assets represent what the company owns, liabilities are what it owes, and equity is the residual interest in the assets after deducting liabilities. Understanding this structure helps readers grasp the financial position of a business at a specific point in time. The income statement, on the other hand, details revenues, expenses, and profits over a period, showing how well the company generates income from its operations. The cash flow statement, as Castero describes, focuses on the inflows and outflows of cash, crucial for understanding the liquidity and financial flexibility of a business. The book then transitions to the concept of the time value of money, a fundamental principle in finance. Castero explains that money today is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its potential earning capacity. This principle is essential for making sound investment decisions and comparing the value of money across different time periods. He introduces key concepts like present value and future value, showing how to calculate the worth of money at different times using discounting and compounding techniques. Present value is the current worth of a future sum of money or cash flows, discounted at a specific rate. Castero provides clear examples to demonstrate how present value calculations help investors determine whether future cash flows from an investment are worth the initial expenditure. Future value, conversely, is the amount of money an investment made today will grow to over a period, given a certain interest rate. By explaining these calculations, Castero helps readers understand how to evaluate investment opportunities and the impact of interest rates on the growth of their money. Interest rates play a pivotal role in the time value of money, and Castero delves into the different types of interest rates, including simple and compound interest. Simple interest is calculated on the principal amount, while compound interest is calculated on the principal amount and the accumulated interest from previous periods. Castero's explanations and examples make it easier for readers to grasp how compound interest can significantly increase the future value of an investment over time. The book also touches on the importance of understanding annuities, which are series of equal payments made at regular intervals. Castero explains how to calculate the present and future values of annuities, providing practical applications for financial planning, such as retirement savings and loan repayments. By mastering these concepts, readers can make more informed decisions about their finances and investments. Throughout Financial Analysis and Time Value of Money for Beginners, Castero emphasizes the practical applications of these concepts. He provides real-world examples and step-by-step calculations to ensure readers can apply what they've learned to their personal and professional financial decisions. The book serves as a comprehensive guide for those new to finance, offering a solid foundation in financial analysis and the time value of money. In summary, Juan Castero's book is an invaluable resource for beginners, breaking down complex financial concepts into understandable and practical knowledge. By focusing on financial analysis and the time value of money, Castero equips readers with the tools needed to evaluate investments, understand financial statements, and make informed financial decisions that consider the changing value of money over time.